It's our little garden over here. Sunflowers are, I don't know how much longer they're going to last. They should be. They're starting to drop over a little bit, but they're doing good. They have done good. Be a lot of biomass to put back into the ground there. I think those are taller down there. They're prettier. When they're ready, we'll shred those up and till them back in the soil, run them through the shredder, mulch them in real good and let them rot. Yeah, extra compost, girl. See some bees out here doing their thing. It's the Danvers carrots there. They're about ready. Pulled up a bunch of turnips yesterday. That's our pak choi or choy sum or whatever it is. The wife made a bunch of, she cut a bunch of these out of here. Made about, she cut like 3 pounds of them, made like two big jars of kimchi out of them. Ended up being pretty good. I'm going to try and get another, try to get a video of her making kimchi, but she doesn't like this filming thing too much, or she doesn't like to be on the camera for whatever reason. So we'll see. Here's some more. I'll probably replant these later on. When I get ready to do all the brassicas, I'll plant these too for fall. And then get ready to plant, get ready to do our winter stuff here. I'll start putting seeds in the trays for transplants for kale, cabbage, collards, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, all that stuff, so we can get it in here probably in August. So I'll get started on it probably about the middle of July to get stuff ready. Need to pick some of these cayenne peppers here. They're about ready to come off of here. There's purple cayennes. And I got some onions to do this fall too for winter. Put some onions in. Plant some more garlic. Garlic and onions. I think I got leeks too, so we'll try and do some leeks later on. Just trying to plan ahead. And that's it. That's our little plot here. Well, one of them. The other one's over there on the other side of the red shed over there. That's the one I need. This the squash patch over there. Of course, our flowers. They're doing pretty good. Just snipped all the roses off of here. That's the knockout roses. Don't have any roses on there now because you just cut all the flowers off there. It's just rosemary and mint. Taro. I think she transplanted some basil over here too. Tomato mess over here. That's out of the old compost pile. We just let them grow. Had one of these squash, this zucchini right here. Had to pull it up and burn it. Hello, dragonfly. The squash vine borers got it. It was fine one day, came out the next, and it was just laying over on its side. That's just a yellow squash over here. Had to replant, and it looks like their replants are doing good. Got some squash on here. Not ready yet. They're small. A couple more days. Had some more yellow squash. I know these are lilies, and I don't know what these other flowers are. I know that's a lily, and I don't know what that is. That blue columbine or something like that. And some other kind of flowers back in here. I really need to get rid of all this crabgrass before next year. It's hard getting rid of crabgrass. And I guess that's it for the little garden walk here.